Good morning. Alright, I am at Stromlo. I came down here, but it's a family weekend, so I'm not really making videos. I'm just trying to get a little something done. And I actually thought I might take a look at the Vapour trail, but holy Jesus! I took a look at like the first squirrel catch a gap jump. I was like, maybe some other time. Maybe I follow someone into that trail. So anyway, I need a Trebuchet. And I'm on the clock, so let's just go. I've done one sight-in lap, it's loose. I guess it's always loose. Woo! I'm going to miss that one. That's a high-speed one. Yeah. Woo! Made. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh, no way. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Yep, okay. Woo! Oh, I can do that better. Yeah, that'll have to do. Nice. Yep. Okay. Away we go. My foot is stuck. Oh no. Woo! Okay, gap, yep. Woo! I think there's a jump here which I'm going to avoid. It's just like a G out into a... Nah. Nah, I can see an OTV there for sure. Oh, I should have doubled that. Woo! Nice. All right. Final section. Oh, I think I gotta really go for it, don't I? Yep. Woo! I think I keep bottoming out my shock there. Okay. Ah! Nice. Oh no. I'm not doing that again. Alright, well it's better than any attempt I've ever done before. Still, I don't know. I kind of feel like that trail brings out the worst rider in me. And I think it's all because of the loose surface. I'm really not good at that. It kind of means I'm lacking speed. And sometimes yanking on the bars and just getting a little bit uncomfortable. Okay, so a little bonus footage for everyone who's stuck around. I'm actually going to try a little bit of this upper Vapour trail. I got confused. I thought the lower, whatever, double black jump line was Vapour, but it wasn't, and I found this. It's got a couple of achievable jumps. I'm nowhere near finalised through it. The jumps down the bottom are big too. I can't do these sharp pins. Okay. Woo! Yeah. Wow. That's about all I got through. This is all achievable. Yeah, can't get it now. Oh, case. Oh, you know the case. Oh. This is where it gets a little bit more intimidating. I think it's in my wheelhouse. Steep. It's okay. Can definitely do that. Sure, I can do this. It's bigger. I think I can do it. Just not today, I'm out of time. And this is a big one. Still, it's good. Not by myself though. No. Alright everyone, well, that's it. Short and sharp. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. I mean, stay tuned, but I don't know when the next one's coming out. We'll just do it anyway. And I'll see you in the next one.